What is this? The toy is back in the TOY-bBOX garage, right next to the box. How do you like that? Today, I'm working on cleaning up the garage, cleaning up my workbench, finishing buttoning up the orange Subaru. Today, what we're doing with the truck is I've had this bag of grill clips, brand new grill clips, forever, sitting on my workbench, along with brand new headlight adjuster screws and springs for the hold all that together. Had those forever. So today I'm finally going to install them, get them off the bench, which would be step one in getting it clean. So yeah, we're going to work on that today. What I need to do basically is I'm going to take these wings off, pull the headlights out, put those kits on. I'm going to have to break a few of these grill clips, which is no biggie to me because they're old anyway. Get this grill out, put new clips in it, snap it in, put new clips in these wings. Put those in, put the wings back on, pull her out. She's good to go. Then we'll move on over to the Subaru. We have vent visors to put on. We have the roof rack bars to put on. We have the front bumper to put on. We have a bunch of stuff in the hatch, including the rear backup camera, which is going to go in the... Ooh, your mom likes that. In the hatch handle from my car, from the white one, because it already has a hole cut out for the camera. So I'll put a camera in it. We'll put the reverse lights in. We'll put the high mount brake light flasher in and vacuum it. Spray it down with some soapy water. Wipe it down real quick. Get it the heck out of here. It's just going to sit outside for a while until I can get somebody down here to help me diagnose it. Somebody who's more well versed in Subaru engines or more knowledgeable in engine builds than myself. I'm also going to try to flash the ECU still. So that's on the table. Anyway, I've been in communication with the guy building the airbags for the XB. Those are going to be ready soon. So hopefully by the time I order parts for the RSX, get them installed, the airbags will be here for the XB. Then we can buy the air management system and we can start the video series on putting air ride on the XB. We can start worrying about the box. We're going to build a wall back there. We are going to... lots of good stuff. I got lights that are going to go on it. I want to sand down that clear coat on it and polish it a little bit. So yeah, the XB build is that's going to be fun, and it's going to be a real long series. And sometime in the future, I would like to get into the wife's CRV and put a small system, a single sub with a small amp. That'll be a video. And who knows, by the time that happens, I'll probably have bought another car for the garage. I don't know. This is a never-ending thing. And actually, I want to build a big-ass shop out back. If that happens, we're just going to buy all the cars. All the cars, we're going to buy them. So, yeah, you better stick around. If you want to watch cars, you better stick around. Okay, I'm going to put you on a time-lapse. You're going to watch this happen. We're going to get it done quick and get it out of here. Okay, so I was going to put it back on, put my clips on, and just put it away. Decided to take this a little further since I have it off. There's something I've been wanting to do for a really, really long time, and I'm going to do it right now. I am going to chop this out, this whole centerpiece, right here at this border. Hack it out of there. I'm going to replace it with this grill. I'll cut this out with my grinder and we will go from there. So that'll look a lot better, and then I'll figure out how to get these logos put back in. But that being said, let's do some crazy shit. Go, roll the time lapse. Alright guys, there it is. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. I mean, it's got its flaws, but it's way nicer looking than it was before. Plus, I don't have the V6 in there now. It's just a mesh metal grill. Got the white Toyota emblem, kind of looks sunken in. I like it, looks good. And I got those things off the bench finally. So, thanks for tuning in today and watching this quick little video. Many more to come. As I told you earlier, we got lots of shit to do, so I'll be filming again soon. Keep these videos rolling out. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching. Yeah, I just figured we'd get the truck in here and do some trucking again. It's been a while since we've done some trucking. So, but now that that's done, I can park the truck back outside. I'm completely caught up with it and with my plans for the time being. I have more plans for it. Oh yeah, buddy, that interior. We got to do those lights still and the sub box with the fiberglass box. Yeah, that's gonna be dope. Stay tuned. Until the next one, this is the Master of None, signing out of the TOY-bBOX Garage. Peace.